What's up everybody, today we're talking about a coin called Quant here because Quant is basically exploding. So let's check out what Quant is all about. We're going to also do some price analysis and price predictions. So let's begin. It says here the market cap right now for Quant is basically at $4 billion, which is just insane. It did increase here by 43%. The volume here also did increase by basically 268%. So right now almost $700 million in the last 24 hours. The worth of one Quant is basically almost $350, which is an insane number, and we are pretty much stabilizing right now. You can just see how much this coin did increase for the last couple of days here. So a lot of good things have been happening basically since the start of September. This coin has just been exploding, which is just insane to see. It has almost 90,000 watches, which is just a cool number, and if you are interested in the coin, you can purchase it through all these different exchanges. So Coinbase, Binance. So like I said, this coin is a pretty huge coin, big company, everything. It's not a meme coin, it's just a really good coin that has a potential future. Later on, we're going to check out the website also, but I want to go to the chart. Look at this. This is what actually happened here to the coin. You have to remember this chart here is not too long. It's because Binance did list the coin like I said, like 2 months ago or something like that. So just because of that, we're not going to see a too much big of a chart here. Now, as you can see, massive increase. So this coin has pumped up so much. If we do measure from here to here, basically you can see that it did go up by 86% right now, but it did go up most at 107% in just the last 2 days, which is, like I said, super insane. Now we need the correction. As you can see, we are getting rejected at this level, so we should actually put a line here. So we are getting rejected here, and we need to get rejected because we have to have some stabilization. We have to have some pullback, and this is that pullback that's happening right now. If you actually go to the 1 hour chart, you can see this a little bit better. Now, what needs to happen is that this blue line here needs to touch the graph. And is that happening? Well, we're so close for something like that to happen. Also, at the 4 hour chart, it needs to happen. We're super far away. Like this trend here is just super far away from the graph. But a really good indicator is that we did make this bullish cross. Since we are in this bullish cross, it should mean that after this, after this cross, the coin should be able to explode. And as you can see, it did pretty much explode here. Now, a really bad thing is that I'm seeing is the RSI. The RSI is super overbought. So super duper overbought. So right now, as you can see, still all the way up here, even at the 1 hour chart. Now what needs to happen, it has, like I said, it has to stabilize and it has to come down. So how much does it need to go down? Well, we can determine that if we actually take a Fibonacci here. So if we take the Fibonacci, we can actually take it and place it right over, let's say it should be right over here. These are the levels. So there you go. These are all of the levels where this coin should be able to go in the future, or like where we did get past and how much we can go in the future more. So first thing first, we are 345 right now. So if we do have another huge pullback, if we do continue to go down, this is the level. So 311. This is how much low we can go basically. I think we're not going to go any lower than this. If we do get lower than this, that means that this blue line is going to get past the graph, and that's not a good sign. So we just needed to touch it. So it needs just to come, either this graph needs to come down, or this blue line has to just come up here a little bit. But I think we have to just stabilize right now. The best case scenario is that we just stabilize to the sideways right now between 386 and 347 basically. And if we do stabilize, then the RSI will continue to go down. And at the 4 hour chart here, also the RSI needs to come down because this is super overbought. You can just see we're at 96 for the RSI, which is pretty much insane. You can just see before it was at the all-time high, like before it was 75, and here it was 74. Now we're super bought, like this is 96. So either we're gonna have a massive crash here, or what's gonna happen is that we're gonna slowly start to stabilize for the next couple of days, and just because of that, we'll be able to continue to go up like later on. Now, a good indicator that this coin will continue to go up is because of the utility. So people want bridges, people need bridges, but also is that Bitcoin here did get past the 50K area. And seeing this, it just shows you that we're ready, guys. We're entering again the bull run. We entered the bull run a long time ago, but we are going back to that 64K number for Bitcoin, and that's just a huge indicator here. But what I want to talk about this coin is that the price target, like the next price target, is going to be about 510 or 520 dollars per coin if we do continue to go up. That's the bullish scenario where we do continue to go up. But if we, like I said, if we do come down, the most it could go down is to 286. But a good like level could be basically 312, like 315 maybe even 320. So if we do come down, that will be the best like level we do go down. Of course, the best scenario ever will be if we just stabilize sideways, because either way the RSI will start to go down. But of course, if some huge investors come into the coin, you see this massive pump happening, then yeah, there is a chance that this coin should be able to go up even more. So to see if that's possible, we have to check out the market cap and plus the volume. So the market cap right now is super huge. So $4.2 billion is a huge number. The volume here, like I said, 700 million. So can we go to some bigger numbers? Can it go to 10 billion? There is a possibility, but I don't think it's gonna happen now. So I think the most this coin can do is 100% by the end of this year, or at least by the end of this bull run, because that's going to be 10 billion market cap. So another 100 to 110% max for this coin. Maybe there's a possibility they could go even more, but we have to be realistic. Like 10 billion market cap is already a huge market cap for this coin, and hopefully it's possible to reach. Now, like I said, it has to come down. It has to come down because it was overbought, and probably people who bought earlier, like earlier investors, people who bought like right over here. Let's say when Binance did list the coin, if you bought the coin right then and there, basically that's 200% increase. So if you invest like a ton of money here, you got 300% increase, which is just insane to see and super cool for yourself. So, and like I said, it should have meant that this coin already had like 2 billion market cap. So a lot of people did make a lot of profit here. But still, the coin will continue to either stabilize right now. So either we're gonna go sideways, or maybe just a little bit down, all the way, maybe just all the way to here. I think that's the most we could be able to go down to the 280 level, like 286. But if we don't, either we're gonna stabilize, or we're gonna, like I said, go up and hit that level, hit all the way to 510 or like 505. It all depends. We're gonna see, but for now what I'm seeing here is that we are still in the funnel. We are still continuing to go up. I'm not seeing any rejection. I'm not seeing any too much rejection for now, but still, because the market cap is already super huge, and basically that we're gonna need a ton more volume. So if you follow the volume here, you can see that we are losing that volume. So here was the peak of the volume, of the buying volume, and now we're slowly losing and losing. So like I said, stabilization. Right now what's gonna happen is either a huge rejection or stabilization for the next couple of hours here, or like not hours but days, until the RSI does come down a little bit here, and then maybe if investors do see it, we'll start to buy again. So that's my prediction what could happen to this coin. Like, I'm just giving you guys all the ways, like what could happen here, like all the possibilities. You choose what you want to, because like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you guys all the possibilities that could happen here to the coin in the next couple of days, maybe even hours. It all depends. Now let's go into Twitter, because I want to show you what's been happening here. So as you can see here on July 30th, it says here from Binance, new Binance listings. So Quant Network is a London-based blockchain technology company that aims to achieve universal interoperability between blockchains through its Overledger OS, a blockchain operating system. So they're trying to connect all the different blockchains. They're trying to make bridges, it looks like, which is pretty interesting. So to see, we're changing the way the world connects. Want to join us? Okay. The release of Overledger completes our core standardized functionality. Overledger 2.0.4 provides enhanced search capabilities of MD apps and user access to most features that would be needed when interacting with the blockchain natively. Okay, so you can check out this video if you also do want so. It says here, earlier this year, the UK All-Party Parliament Group held an evidence session on DLT. As the preeminent leader in the DLT interoperability solution, Quant presented a detailed analysis investigating different approaches to DLT interoperability. Super cool to see. Okay. If you do continue to check out, like I said, you can check out these posts, but I want to show you guys the main post. This is in August 18th, so Okay, it says, have you joined the Quant developer program yet? The Overledger API allows you to build any single or multi-DLT app, MD app you like, quickly and easily without specialized blockchain or any DLT knowledge. So there you go. This is super interesting. Discover how to build any single or multi-DLT MD app with ease, quickly, and without specialist blockchain or DLT knowledge. Super cool. We have a couple more. Yeah, this is like two more posts and that's it. So as you can see, they're not posting too much, but still they're getting a ton of interaction here. It says, want to join us? If you do, you'll become part of the gifted team of problem solvers working on a range of breakthrough developments that will change how the world interacts. So looks like they're hiring right now. They're gonna need more staff here. The coin is getting bigger. The market cap did basically double here, so they're gonna need more people. So see, thank you, Stefan, for highlighting how universal interoperability helps make blockchain and DLT mainstream for institutions, enterprise, and developers, and how we're unleashing the power of networks as connected as the world we live in. So there you go. And Stefan here said, next up in my Crypto Thesis series, in which I take a closer look at some of the projects in the crypto blockchain space that have me beyond bullish, and that's Quant here. So where to even begin with a project built out and exciting as this? You can read the rest of his post. It's a pretty long post. It's only the first part out of 6 parts. So if you are interested, do check it out. Do check out their Twitter. So yeah, I want to just show you guys their website here. This is how the website does look like. It looks pretty professional, looks pretty awesome. It says here, connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth. So leading the connectivity revolution. Recent years have seen massive advances in distributed ledger technologies, so such as blockchain, DAG, and Tempo. The result is a significant shift in the way individuals and organizations connect and interact with each other, enabling them to exchange information assets more securely, simply, and cost efficiently. Quant is leading this revolution. We already developed Overledger DLT Gateway, the world's first DLT gateway for enterprise that delivers interoperability across different systems, networks, and DLTs. Now we're building on this platform to help enterprises, governments, and individuals across the globe benefit from the true potential of an incredibly powerful technology. So you unlock the true value of DLTs at the single stroke. Quant Team Overledger DLT Gateway has game-changing applications for the world of distributed ledgers. Why? Because it delivers interoperability across systems, networks, and DLTs securely, simply, and cost efficiently, without the need for new infrastructure or introducing bottlenecks. By removing the barrier to interoperability, Overledger helps you to create a whole new world of possibility. And here is the CEO here. He did quote this saying, we've solved DLT interoperability by positioning us to re-architect our systems and create a network as connected as the world we live in to help drive tremendous value up, open up new markets, and realize new efficiencies for enterprise, governments, and individuals alike. So there you go. It's connected to world-class partners. So NVIDIA, Blockchain Consortium, we got OwlCloud or something like that, Hyperledger, Oracle. So they're already partnering up with so many big companies. So Oracle, NVIDIA, so many big companies are already working with Quant here, which just shows you that this, like I said, super serious coin has a really good future ahead of itself. So slowly but surely, this coin is increasing. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Right now, like I said, 4 billion market cap, which is an insane market cap already for this coin. Can it continue to go up? Yes, it can, but what I'm seeing here with the indicators that it should kind of go down right now. Like we're gonna need that pullback. So I'm just telling you guys what is probably gonna happen. If we don't have the pullback, then of course we're gonna get past this level and continue to go up. So yeah, guys, what are your price predictions for this coin? What do you think will happen to Quant here? Will it continue to go up? Will it go down? What is your price prediction? In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.